In this video tutorial, we will show you how to configure your Wrapit Hub to enable remote access via your smartphone from anywhere in the world. To remotely access a secure network environment behind a router, it is necessary to establish an encrypted tunnel between the endpoints, which in this case is between the Wrapit Hub and your smartphone. We will be using a free service, called Zero Tier, to create an encrypted, secure virtual private subnet, which will effectively provide connectivity between your Wrapit Hub and any number of smartphones that you choose. Let's jump right in. First, you should set up a free account on Zero Tier. In your web browser, enter my.zerotier.com, select Login/Sign Up. Enter your email address and a secure password to set up your free account. You will be sent a verification email, in which you should click the link to verify your request. You will then be directed to an updated webpage where you will be asked to name your newly created network. You can name this anything you like. Once you've named your network, click on Save and Continue. Click Skip Initial Setup, as the required application is already pre-installed on your Wrapit Hub. You will now see your account page, which will display your network ID and your network name. Click on the network name and you will be presented with your private subnet configuration page. All of the settings can be left as they are, and are mainly presented for information or for more advanced applications, which we do not need. Now, double-click on the network ID at the top of the screen and copy this into your paste buffer. Keep this web page open as we will be returning to it shortly. Now, go the System Control and Status tab of your Wrapit Hub dashboard and expand the Remote Access Settings tab. Click on the blue button to obtain remote access status. You should see the message, "Currently you are not registered with a zero-tier network." Click on the line labeled "Click" to enter your zero-tier network ID, and paste in the zero-tier network ID from your paste buffer and submit. Click on the blue button to refresh the remote access status and observe that your network ID is now displayed, but you will still not have an allocated IP address. Next, on your smartphone, go to the App Store and download the Zero Tier app. Open the app and click on the plus sign at the top of the screen to enter your Zero Tier network ID. You can enter this manually, or you can click on the QR icon on the right of the network ID, which will bring up your camera scanner. Then immediately go to the Zero Tier management page and click the QR icon on the right of the network ID to display the QR code, which you can now scan with your smartphone. On the smartphone, click the slider button displaying your network name to activate access to this subnet. In the Zero Tier management screen, you will now observe that you have two new members listed as part of your private subnet. One will be the Wrapit Hub and the other will be your smartphone. If nothing appears, click the refresh button. These two devices are authenticated but not yet authorized. Under the column AUTH, click the checkbox square for each device to authorize access to this network. You have now established your own private subnet where you can add up to 8 additional smartphones if required. Now let's verify that this connection works. In the Control and Status tab, go to Remote Access Settings and click the blue button to obtain remote access status. You will note that your Wrapit Hub now has a publicly accessible IP address, which we identify as ZTIP. Note this IP address and open a browser on your smartphone and enter this IP address followed by :1880/UI. You will then be presented with your dashboard giving you full access to all your flows. You can now select any tab on your dashboard to view any of your project flows and remotely control the Wrappa via your smartphone from anywhere in the world. That concludes our video tutorial VT2. Please refer to our other videos on this channel where we examine other features and capabilities that you may find helpful in proceeding with your project.